nerds? It's me, your buddy, your pal, HeyArcher. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Here on HeyArcher, I do all sorts of fun videos, unboxings, reviews, discussions, and for all you nerds, dating advice in my series, Swipe and Chill. So check that out if you haven't seen it yet. Today, on this unboxing, is a little bit different than what we have been doing in the past. My unboxings have been primarily about things to improve this channel. I, of course, did my shoe unboxing, which I still owe a video of me wearing the shoes. People have been asking for that. So I will do that at some point. But today we're actually doing a Power Ranger unboxing. So here I have the Power Ranger Legacy Zeo Golden Staff, most popularly seen on Power Ranger Zeo. Now, I want to give you guys a quick backstory here on my experiences with Power Rangers and what led to me buying all of the props, of course. So Totoro has been through every single unboxing. Even though this is too big for Totoro, it will not stop here. Actually, the one thing I want to point out before I even unbox this thing, if you are a collector and you're trying to buy any of these with the purpose of down the road reselling them again, buying these from Amazon at the current moment, my box was absolutely destroyed. I'm not sure if you can see all the dings on it, even there. So if getting a mint box is what you're looking for, you might have to buy this from a actual reseller who bought it from a store and kept it in peak condition. Power Rangers, as a kid of the 90s, was everything, right? Order of operations, of course, Ninja Turtles, and then Power Rangers, Mighty Morphin. Growing up with it, it was the coolest thing ever. It absolutely outranked Ninja Turtles for all of us 80s babies and even the early 90s kids. Actually, no, you'd have to be an 80s baby to have watched it in real time. But once they got to Zeo, they lost me. For some reason, just the visual aesthetic of it, I couldn't get into. It always seems like kind of hazy for some reason. So I couldn't get into Zeo. But when they launched the Legacy series some years back, I was all in on this. I talked about this on an episode with, I think on Rambling, I may have talked about it. But I was all in on Power Rangers when the Legacy series came out. Because as they mentioned in the show, The Toys That Made Us, Saban was like, let's re-release the old stuff, but up the value because all those kids are adults now, disposable income. Sucker right here. So I started collecting the morphers and I thought I would just stay with the morphers. And then finally was able to get my hands on a Dragon Dagger. I was like, all right, I'll stop there. But then of course, Saba came out. The Power Blaster came out. All things I couldn't have as a kid. So when the Zeo Power Staff came out, I wasn't that into it because I have never been a big Zeo fan. But I was like, maybe I should just get it for the sake of the collection. Then Amazon put it on sale for more than half price. Currently, at the time of this video, it's $66. So if you want to buy this thing, the link is down below. Click on it. Again, the Amazon affiliate link's down below. Of course, help the channel out. But I had to get it because I was like, I'm never going to get this for cheaper than $100. Now the problem is I need the Power Sword because the Red Ranger was always my favorite. And the Zeo Staff was actually held and wielded by the original Red Ranger, Jason. Oh, behind here is the on switch. Let's see if that does anything. Nope. Yeah, batteries are dead. Alright, I'll come back to the sound part. But overall impression so far, it does have some weight to it, which I like. But the gold pieces, especially the top, this is all plastic. Not sure how fragile the top part is there. But the top gold here, that's all plastic. This gold at the bottom is harder plastic. I'm not really feeling any die cast on this, but like I said, it does. I mean, it's visually really nice in the hand. Let's get the hold. All right, let's compare it to the other ones. See how it looks. All right, so here we have the Zeo Staff compared to the Power Blaster. Now you have the Dragon Dagger compared to the Zeo Staff. And even just here, like holding the two, for some reason the Dragon Dagger actually feels beefier, and I feel like the Dragon Dagger is an actual weapon. The Zeo Staff still not so much. They could have changed how they make these after the dagger came out. And now we have Saba next to the staff. So again, Saba at the center core here of Saba. So this part of Saba here feels like there's more weight to it as opposed to the staff. So even inherently, Saba itself, it just feels like there's more to it than the staff does. The staff still feels pretty light. But I mean, again, it's supposed to be a staff, so maybe that's the whole point. But even just scheme-wise, I love how Saba's gold looks versus Zeo. I do understand there's supposed to be a difference in even just the show with color schemes and all that, but Saba feels still feels beefier compared to the staff. The Zeo Staff is not my favorite. It looks cool. Do not get me wrong on that. Maybe if I was a fan of Power Rangers Zeo, I would appreciate it more. I'm definitely glad that I have it. That's for sure. But overall, I think as far as quality goes, it feels the weakest of the weapons I currently own. One of the reasons I hesitated on the Power Sword originally was that the blade, from what I heard, didn't feel very good. So that made me hesitate on it. Now I regret it because I just want to finish the collection of the weapons, the Legacy Series weapons. And now that Hasbro owns the Power Ranger line, maybe they'll re-release it. What I desperately want is a Power Axe. That's the Red Ranger was always my favorite Ranger, but the Power Axe was my favorite weapon. So if there's one to come next, that's definitely what I want. But overall, I mean, I like it. Like I said, it's cool. I still didn't get a chance to... Let me put the batteries in. All right, let's try some sounds. Actually, I'm going to turn off that light over there so you can get a better view of the lights. Am I supposed to do both at the same time? And also make sounds when you hit it. Or it's supposed to. Yeah, so it's cool. It's a fun toy to have. At the price of $66, I say it's worth it if you're a Power Ranger fan. But again, thanks for being here, everybody. The lights are off. I'll leave it off for now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to buy your own Zeo Staff, link will be down below. If I can find the other weapons on Amazon, I'll post those links down below as well. And if you know somebody who's selling a Power Sword not at $400, please let me know that too. And of course, I will see you nerds in the next video. Peace.